Hello there. Let's have a look at the weather across Europe. And after a dry and bright start to the weekend for the northwest, things are going to turn pretty wild on Sunday. We've got another weather front moving in off the Atlantic, bringing gale force winds and some heavy rain to parts of Ireland and Britain. That front stretching all the way down into western parts of France. It will extend its way further east on Monday, turning wintry and wet across Scandinavia. The weather there, that wet weather slipping down into Germany, across the Low Countries and into northern parts of France. There's some heavy rain to come as well for northern Spain, some rough seas here, but for much of the Iberian Peninsula it remains very sunny and settled. Across the Mediterranean we've got unsettled weather for Italy, more heavy rain to come in here, pushing into Greece as well, but across the Balkans, well, it is gloomy but a rather dry picture. Now, unusually we've got a cyclonic storm in the Black Sea. That's going to bring more winter weather to the northeast of Turkey, possibly causing some disruption as well. In terms of temperatures, well, they'll be picking up across more western areas once again, and we'll also see an increase out east, with Athens in Greece seeing double digits on Monday. Hello there. It's been feeling rather cold across northern parts of the Middle East and Levant, thanks to a cyclone sitting in the Black Sea that's bringing some very wintry weather to the northeast of Turkey. We are expecting more snow to fall here, some disruption as well, and those wintry features stretch from the Black Sea towards the Caspian. We're expecting some of that snow to fall in Tehran as we go into Monday. Now, temperatures have been about 10 degrees below the average across parts of the Levant, and that cold air is set to descend its way further south later in the week, dropping the temperature in places like Qatar. We could see some rain on Monday, but there'll be more in the way of wind that picks up on Tuesday. And it remains very windy across the north of Africa, where temperatures have also been below average. We've got some warnings out for those strong winds in Libya as well as Algeria. Some wetter weather is set to develop across more central areas here on Monday. It's further south around the Gulf of Guinea that we're seeing the worst of the thunderstorms stretching their way diagonally across southern parts of Africa, with some areas of low pressure bringing very heavy rain to the likes of Madagascar and Mozambique, with a risk of flooding.